Hey everyone! Today we'll be looking at this new gorgeous brush set. Magic Gel team has done an incredible job to come up with the brushes that will express your artistry and passion. Abstract Fantasy Brush makes wonders for your abstract ideas and sophisticated shapes. You may have already seen Calligraphy Art brush in action in the previous Facebook video. And now, the brush that so many of you were asking for, Flawless Sculpting number 6. It's perfect for sculpting, color application, and vertical ombres on smaller nail plates. Next brush, Stunning Flowers number 2. It will express your passion for smaller floral designs. And of course, the perfect dot brush will perfect your details and finishing elements. I'm so thrilled that many nail technicians will now have the perfect tools to express their artistic passion and amaze their clients.